Hello, friends. We are starting our organized self employment ministry and budget 20th session. As you know, we are here for making organized self employment ministry and budget live. We have annual budget 108 ministry. We have railway budget 1 ministry. One more ministry and budget is required for our self employment, that is for self earning, self work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit per month showing. So we have to make one principle: right of pension, fundamental right of pension after 14 years for self earning, self income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit per month showing to certain ministry office, fundamental right. Direct link to ministry and budget. Preamble wise organized employed, preamble wise organized self employed, self earning, self work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit per month showing to certain organized self employment ministry. Budget office is self employment government recognition. We should have constitutional life between 0 to 18 years. If we have any eventuality, any problem of the economics in regular income, and for 18 to 58 year for everyone by self earning, self income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing to the organized self employment ministry and budget. By this we will divide our constitutional working of document between 14 plus 14 plus 12, that is pension at 18, 32, 46, 58 year. If we have any irregular income problem between 0 to 18, then pension at 18, and if not, then per month self earning, self work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing, and pension at 32, that will be added to 46, again we will show, and again up till 58, then after retirement, and we will manage by self earning, self work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit. I am Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar. Pin code 847407, mobile number 639736017. This is organized self employment ministry budget 20th session. Continuously I am trying to propagate the idea of organized self employment ministry and budget. This is my book Truth Only Terms. It is the drama of 6 Hindu family, written by me in 2001. I am trying to sell this book so that people can purchase, and we all play the drama between 16 to 26 February and 31st August to 11th September. Those who believe in self earning, self work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit. For this, again I am coming to organized self employment ministry abode of mine, the concept where I develop organized self employment ministry and budget, to the Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, room number 126, my room number 126. We have to see from the Rashtrapati Bhavan High and from the Governor House High, because we are making a documented system, because our population is 120 crore. So I have made it in the document form. We are the sons and daughters of the Shiv Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, Vishnu Puran, Brahma Saraswati Puran, the different ISBN of libraries of Hindu, the Adi Shakti Jagdamba Puran, Durga Saptati and Devi Bhagavad, the Hindu worship God and Goddess whom we worship and the Constitution of India, Parliament, RBI, Bureaucracy, Army, Police, Secretariat. So I have tried to put in the concept in a democratic manner so that the work can be understood. Remember, 6 unborn family are working in the Hindu way. One is political family, one is industrial family, one is educational or press or the legal family. One is family, one is truth and non-violence, and one is the government. So I have tried to put in room number 1 Shiv Puran and 12 mandir documents, shadow mandir documents. Let us put the shadow mandir document of Kashi Vishwanath Mandir and Annapurna Mandir from Varanasi, shadow document. Then from the Mahakal and Mahakali Mandir of Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh, shadow documents. Then Somnath Shiv Mandir and Parvati Shiv Mandir of Gir, Gujarat, shadow document. Then Mallikarjun Shiv Mandir, Shiv Parvati Mandir of Sri Salem of Andhra Pradesh. Then Omkareshwar Khandwa Mandir of Madhya Pradesh with Parvati. Then shadow document of Kedarnath from Rudraprayag, Uttarakhand and Parvati Mandir. Then Bhim Shankar Shiv Parvati Mandir of Pune, Maharashtra. Then Triambakeshwar Shiv Parvati Mandir, shadow document of Nasik, Maharashtra. Then Baba Baidyanath, shadow Shiv Parvati Mandir document of the Devghar, Jharkhand. Then the Shiv Parvati Mandir of Nageshwaram, that is of the in Maharashtra, or you can say near Gujarat, Dwarika. Then Rameshwaram shadow Shiv Parvati Mandir established by Lord Rama from the Rameshwaram near Madras, Tamil Nadu. Then Dushmeshwaram Shiv Parvati Mandir, shadow document of Maharashtra, Aurangabad. Then Amiteshwaram and Amiteshwari, shadow document of Shardapur. And Amit Abhilasha Shiv Parvati Mandir of the Shardapur at Mumbai. We have to understand the rays are coming from the Kailas Dham, and it is documented in the form of the truth and non-violence in the document form, shadow form, so that we can understand self-earning, self-work, certain caste, certain fiscal credit is government job. For understanding, we can put the Aadhaar card, PAN card, passport and photo election identity card from 26th Jan 1950. We are moving on the truthful path. And the different marriages which has been done in the 6 family marriage certificate. We are the sons and daughters of this. From 33 crore we adopted 26 January 1950. Now we have reached to 120 crore. Then coming to the room number 2. Again we have to see from the Rashtrapati Bhavan Eye. From the Rashtrapati Bhavan Eye in order to understand the rays of Vaikuntha and Kshir Sagar Dham. The Vishnu Puran, Ramayana and Bhagavad Gita. We are the sons and daughters of that. The shadow mandir documents. In the room number 1 we have to put 12 Banarsi sari and 12 dhoti. Again here also we have to put 12 Banarsi sari and 12 dhoti, and same 16.66% Aadhaar card, PAN card, passport and photo, election ID card. And self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing from the Rashtrapati Bhavan and from the Baikunt eyes and from the Kshir Sagar eyes we have to see. And self-employment government job work we are doing. Now 12 Shadow Mandir. First 31st August 1946 the Ram Sita Mandir and the present Mandir. Shadow document Krishna Radha Mandir, Mathura and the Dwarika Mandir of Gujarat. Then after that the Badrinarayan Mandir of Vishnu Lakshmi of the Badrinarayan Uttarakhand. Then Jagannath Subhadra Mandir of Puri, Orissa. Then the shadow document of the Padmanabh Mandir, Tiruvananthapuram, Kerala. Then the shadow document of the Vishnu Lakshmi Mandir, Shardapur, Amitavilas. Then Darbhanga. Then the shadow document of the Vishnu Lakshmi Mandir, Phalguni Tat, Gaya. Then the other 12 Vishnu Lakshmi Mandir. In first room, welfare power 1 to 10, 1 to 12 documents also. And in the second room, life money 1 to 12. Then room number 3. From the Rashtrapati Bhavan Eye, we have to make ourselves understand. What we have to understand? The ISBN certificate, the Brahma Saraswati certificate of Truth Only Terms, in which book I am working. The Truth Only Terms ISBN certificate which I am working, 81901860 and copyright number 954/03/COL, which I am working. And the other ISBN book which Hindus have worked, the Gitanjali of Rabindranath Tagore, ISBN shadow document of Madan Mohan Dalviye, ISBN shadow document of Vivekananda, 1883 Chicago religion, speech on Hindu religion, the Jawaharlal Nehru shadow documents of the universities and book, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi shadow document, the Subhash Chandra Bose shadow document of ISBN of Indian Army he made, Dr. Rajendra Prasad shadow ISBN documents, Dr. Sarvalli Radhakrishnan's ISBN documents of book, Vallabhbhai Patel University and book ISBN certificate, Sarojini Naidu ISBN book certificate, the Raja Ram Mohan Rai, the various steps of Brahmo Samaj ISBN books, the Swami Dayanand Saraswati, the various steps of book he wrote, Indira Gandhi ISBN, Jagdish Chand Bose, Dr. Raman, who has got the Nobel Prize from Hindus, the Atal Bihari Vajpayee book, Lal Krishna Advani book, Jai Prakash Narayan Sarvodaya Andolan book, Murarji Desai ISBN book, Lal Bahadur Shastri ISBN book, Bankim Chand Chatterjee Vande Mataram ISBN book, shadow documents, and the Brahma Saraswati Puran, 12 Banarsi Sari, 12 Dhoti, and 16.66% Aadhaar card, PAN card, passport, and the various type of marriage certificate which have been we all belonging, and we are scattered in all the states. Then come to the room number 4. Again we have to see from the Rashtrapati Bhavan Eye and from the Governor House Eye, because self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit per month showing we are trying to make self-employment government job. The raise that is coming from the Adi Shakti Jagadamba Dham. The work and the document is available. The shadow document we are taking from Sharda Mandir, Shardapur, Darbhanga, छिन्नमस्तिका मंदिर, शारदापुर दरभंगा, चामुंडा मंदिर दरभंगा मधुबनी, दुर्गा मंदिर ऑफ दुर्गागंज कटिहार, द काली मंदिर ऑफ राजहाटा कटिहार, पटना पटन देवी मंदिर शैडो डॉक्यूमेंट पटना सिटी बिहार, वैष्णो देवी शैडो मंदिर डॉक्यूमेंट्स ऑफ जम्मू, द नंदा देवी मंदिर ऑफ उत्तराखंड द शैडो डॉक्यूमेंट, द सलोनी देवी ऑफ सोलन हिमाचल, द दक्षिण कालिका मंदिर ऑफ कलकत्ता वेस्ट बंगाल, द महालक्ष्मी मंदिर शैडो मंदिर डॉक्यूमेंट्स ऑफ मुंबई महाराष्ट्र, द कामाख्या मंदिर ऑफ गुवाहाटी आसाम शैडो डॉक्यूमेंट, द विंध्याचल मंदिर उत्तर प्रदेश, द अन्नपूर्णा मंदिर ऑफ काशी शैडो डॉक्यूमेंट, द काली मंदिर ऑफ राजहाता कटिहार, द छतरवाली जगदम्बा मंदिर ऑफ द न्यू दिल्ली, डाट काली मंदिर देहरादून उत्तराखंड, and the other mandir also. The rays are coming from Jagdamba Dham. 12 Banarsi sari and 12 dhoti and 16.66% Aadhaar card, passport, PAN card and photo entry card. Marriage certificate, Mangal Sudra, employment, all we are already involved. We are trying to make self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit per month showing. Trying to explain the concept so that we all can understand. Then coming to the Hindu worship, all the yags which we are doing and the different types of puja which we are doing at home, the abode of Hindu truth, non-violence, each united God and Goddess, the Varshkrit, the truth savior and truth savior, room number 5. Again the rays are coming from each united Varshkrit God and God. We are calling. We are the sons and daughters of this, and they are saving us from different types of eventualities, all types of problems they are trying to solve by truth and non-violence. So the Varshkrit of Mithila, Hindu God and Goddess, the Varshkrit of Uttar Pradesh, the Varshkrit of Kashi, Uttar Pradesh, the Varshkrit of Tamil Nadu, the Varshkrit of Uttarakhand, Hindu God and Goddess, the Varshkrit of Himachal Pradesh, Hindu God and Goddess, the Varshkrit of Maharashtra, Hindu God and Goddess, the Varshkrit of Gujarat, Hindu God and Goddess, the Varshkrit of Bihar, Hindu Varshkrit God and Goddess, the Varshkrit of West Bengal, Hindu God and Goddess, the Varshkrit of Delhi, Hindu God and Goddess, the Varshkrit of Andhra Pradesh, God and Goddess, the Varshkrit of Karnataka, Hindu God and Goddess, the Varshkrit of Kerala, Hindu God and Goddess, the Varshkrit of Odisha, Hindu God and Goddess. Various types of Varshkrit are available, and the rays are coming from the each united Varshkrit God and Goddess. Then come to the, it is 20 into 5. I have tried to take 16.66. I have tried to make 16.66 into 6 on the documented form. Then from the 6th form, that is 6th room of mine, that is government is 3, time husband, time wife. The Constitution of India, which was made in 26 January 1950, and then Parliament, RBI, Supreme Court, Bureaucracy, Army, Police, Secretariat, University Press, all the documents, 16.66%, Aadhaar card, PAN card, photo, election identity card, passport, marriage certificate. We have already in that. We have to make the documents. Now we are putting the 750 MPs who are from Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. They are working day and night, and every 5-year election is held. We have to understand 6 working unbound concept of Hindu. One is worked by the politician, one is worked by the industrialist, one is worked by the ISBN truth saviors, those who are teaching us in different colleges, schools, universities, and one is worked by the family. Somvari, Mangalvari, Budhvari, Brahspativari, Shukrawari, Shanivari, Ravivari, Ekadasi, Drodasi, all types of puja. Then truth and non-violence, and the government democracy. Every 5-year election, every year on 14th February, 15th February, round about second week of the February, budget, annual budget and railway budget, private sector and public sector. We have to understand the documented form by which self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, self-employment government will come. and we will get per month fiscal credit salary. Then 4,500 Aadhaar card of different state, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Bihar, West Bengal, Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, all the MPs and MLAs who are working in the different organized way for the political development and welfare, all their truthful work and documents we are trying to present in one by the organized self-employment ministry from Shardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717. And then we start our work by the fiscal credit table. This is organized self-employment ministry fiscal credit table. 70% of the people are below 30,000 per month earner, and 70,000 30% of the people are above 30,000 per month earner. This is fact from 26 January 1950. What we have to do, we have to make a constitutional path on the signing we are having by the organized self-employment ministry and budget form, and putting that 72 Banarsi sari and 72 dhoti. By understanding the concept of the rays coming from Kailash Dham, Vaikuntham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham and government Dham. Meeting at one point by the concept of Amit Kumar Jha by self-earning, self-work, certain fiscal credit per month swing, and by understanding the documented path of 750 MPs and MLA, if you will believe, trust and faith. Because by this, as there is railway fare table, that if 10 km we will travel, this much ticket will be taken. If 500 km on AC we will travel, this much. So on that documented path, I have tried to make this table from room number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. By understanding the concept, we are working here and there. We have flexible hour of work. Everyone wants flexible hour of work, and in this we have the organized work, because this will give fiscal credit salary per month, fixed system. Because my concept believe that if 10 rupees we are getting on our educational certificate, that means in 1 year we will get 120 rupees fixed, and we can work everywhere. We are working from 18 to 58 years, we are working this organized system. By this way, we will definitely show per month self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit. We have to see this table from the Rashtrapati Bhavan I and from the Governor House I for signing the documents, because when we will start working in that, we will become self-employment government job servant, and our head commandant will be our chief minister in the state and governor at the governor house, and at the central level, if we are central employee, the prime minister will be our head commandant, council of minister will be our guide, and the MPs will be of Lok Sabha will be our guardian, and president will be our head supremo. By the democratic way we are doing, we have not adopted the document system. By this way, we will get fiscal credit salary per month. If I have made this table, it can be increase and decrease. What example I am giving? If we will earn 10 rupees per month by self-earning, self-work showing, which will be recognized by government on the constitutional validity on income, work, educational faith, what will happen? Fiscal credit will come and the ministerial benefit will come, because we are organized. And as I have told you, I have made the court martial also connection, so that the administration who is looking from the Shiv Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, Vishnu Puran, Brahma Saraswati Puran, ISBN Puran, Devi Bhagavad, Durga Saptati Puran, the Hindu Varshkrit Puran, and the Indian Constitution. The rays are coming from Kailash Dham, Vaikuntham, Saddham, Adi Shakti Dham, setting from the Amit Kumar Jha documents. We are signing it by writing in the organized self-employment ministry our name, our profession. What profession, what work we are doing, that will be acknowledged as constitutional validity on income, work, educational, faith. What will happen? Fiscal credit salary will come in this form, in the table form, like railway fare and airways fare. Let us again understand in the organized self-employment ministry 20th session. Illiterate, I have tried to give fiscal credit salary 4,950. Signature known, I have tried to give 5,625. It is assumable, it can increase and decrease, but the signature and the act will be in the control of the Parliament House and Vidhan Sabha. 8th pass, I have tried to face 0 to 18 years. No pressure is from the any person. But on the organized self-employment ministry level, I have tried to put educational certificate in capital value, so that no person feels that the any democratic setup is obstructing them to become human capital. So each degree value has been put. 8th standard pass I have put 9,375. 10th pass I have put 11,250. 12th pass I have put 13,125. Graduation I have put 15,000 fiscal credit. Post graduation I have put 16,875. MPhil I have put 18,750. DLED I have put 20,625, and PhD I have put 22,500. I have tried to make the table on 30,000 per month above and 30,000 per month below, so that document control can be in the hand of document representative, MPs and MLA. The 750 is MPs from the Lok Sabha, Raj Sabha, those who are senior guiding from us 73 years, they are guiding from our representative, becoming our representative, and in the 28 state 6 union territory as our guide and father and mother in the different Vidhan Sabha, so that the organized work from the politician and from the industrialist and from the educationists, lawyers and pressmen, and from the family members and from the truth non-violence and from the government side automatically by the documents. Our control is in the hand of Prime Minister and Chief Minister by the democratic way. We are moving on the documented path. The fantasy I am setting from 31st August 1946 on the constitutional basis, because we are sons and daughters of me. We are moving on the time. Now on that Aadhaar card setting I am putting 30,000 above, little bit high, and then 30,000 below. 30 and 70 proportions are there. We are moving in organized manner in our profession. Professionalism and work love start. If we are joining anywhere, automatically love for that work is, because the work we are going through our heart, and the atmosphere of work is prepared where we are taking birth all over India. By self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit. What truthful work we acknowledge that we can go to the public. That work is acknowledged from the Parliament and from the Vidhan Sabha after being validated this concept as self-employment government job. If we think singing is the validated work, it is good. If we sing doing any work, it is validated, it is good. All work has been validated by fiscal credit salary. From the illiterate to the signature note, 22% people are below poverty line. That means the work is not there. We have different policies. I don't want to go on that. What I have tried to make a documented form where we will sign the document from the current date, because what we did from 26 January 1950 till now, it is not to worry. I started this work from 2001 31st August. That is why I started worshipping from 31st August till 11 September and 16 February till 26 February as organized self, because from the Shiv Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, Vishnu Puran, Brahma Surushi Puran, Adi Shakti Jagadamba Devi Bhagavat, and the Durga Saptati, the a Hindu worship god and goddess, and the constitution, Bharat Mata and Bharat Pita. All are coming from this, from where we have reached from 33 crore Aadhaar card to 120 crore Aadhaar card. 20 into 5. We are already under the control of our administration. By self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credits, showing we are becoming self-employment government job servant, and I have tried to grade in grade 1 to infinite, so that as we goes on increasing our degree, becoming human capital, automatically promotion will come every 4 years, and educational certificate value has been put in a capital value, so that we can save. And apart from this, Somvari, Mangalvari, Budhvari, Brahaspativari, Shukvari, Shanivari, Ravivari, Ekadasi, Dwadasi, Triyodasi, all types of Vrat and Puja we can do, and we can also save money, because little bit money in organized way can automatically give ideas that we can do which work is better. Our guardian, we have seen from the Rashtrapati Bhavan I and from the Governor House I, the book. Automatically we are putting this concept into house. 6 houses: Kailash Dham house, Vaikunth Dham house, that is Shir Sagar Dham house, Brahma Saraswati house, Adi Shakti Jagadamba house, each united worship god and goddess house, and government house, and we are posted in that. Automatically what happens, we all are self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, storage, marriage and other types of things already we are doing. We will all become like Gandhiism, we will all become Amiteshwarism, 6 Hindu family. We are already there, because marriages of our brothers and sisters are in different families. We are already posted in Calcutta, Delhi, Mumbai, Madras, all over India, Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Jammu, Guwahati, Haryana, Amritsar, Chandigarh, Simla, all over India we are posted. Automatically we are posted. By self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal growing, we are all becoming self-employment government job. 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan I and 6 Governor House, we are already seeing infinite population and infinite profession is already organized by this. This fiscal credit table is giving a constitutional path if we are not earning. The constitutional validity on our income, work, educational certificate. By the trust and faith in this book, Truth Only Trumps. What will happen? By the trust in this book, Truth Only Trumps, which is written by me in 2001. This is 2021. We are doing Organized Self-Employment Ministry 20th session. Self-employment government job, fiscal credit, salary system will come. Money will be arranged by us only by self-earning, because we are already earning. We will put together in Organized Self-Employment Ministry. Some government fund will also be, MPs and MLA will also put little bill budget, because it is in our hand. As I told you, 10 rupees if we are earning from the government side, it is organized, and this work is home work, means from home we are doing. The self-employment structure we can see from room number 1, room number 2, room number 3, room number 4, room number 5, room number 6 from the Shardapur Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, from where we are documenting, and the act is believed even the parliament and in the Vidhan Sabha. From every state self-employment structure automatically. I have tried to make 30,000 above and 30,000 below, so that those who are interested in that, automatically organized path will develop. This organized path will generate the ideal worship which already we are doing. We are doing Krishna worship, Ram worship, Shiv worship, Durga worship. All this worship has been organized in one form in 6 unborn family from the Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united god and goddess Dham, and government Dham. And in 6 ideal pair form, they are entering into our heart by signature and by the ideal pair worship. We are following them. We are giving Pushpanjali on 16th February, 17th February, 18th, 19th, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 February, and then ideal immersion in the Ganga and other rivers. Similarly, from 31st August till 11th September, 1st September, 2nd September, 3rd September, 4th September, 5th September, 6th September, 7th September, 18th September, 19th September, and 10th September, and 11th September. We are making the 6th pair from the Kailas Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Sat Dham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united government dham, and we are doing Pushpanjali automatically. The work we are doing, we are redoing it and documented path on which we are moving. We are already moving on that path. Marriages are already in all these families. Only thing we are doing organized way so that the self-employment government job will come. Those who are going above that, already 30% people are per thousand above under. But as I told you, professionalism of 6 room is that one room is of a big politician, one room is of big industries, one room is of the big educationist or big lawyers or big pressmen, one room is of big family women, one room is of big truth and non-violence, and one room is of big government area. So all of we are working for our motherland. Our documenting signed on one point of Amit Kumar Jhawad, Amitishwarism. By the democratic and non-violence path we are shining. No worship we are doing, automatically it is worship. Because by seeing this table, we all are becoming self-employed, and this much is our salary. And what work we have thought, if we are teaching, if we are speaking, if we are anything which is truthful thing, which can be represented in our 6 family, automatically is self-employment government job. Assurance is coming, this much is our salary. Between 0 to 18 years, if we are required, any type of economical problem has occurred to us, and between 18 to 58 year, we all are getting fiscal credit salary January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, and right of educational certificate in capital value, which is giving us the chance to become human capital, because the value has increased, and double value will also come as we goes on working in that. We have to generate trust and faith in Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407. Mobile number is 63973601717, and we have to purchase this book. We have to purchase this book for the understanding and for the singing of this, because this book will give the chance of understanding, and automatically a atmosphere will develop which will generate trust, because 6 rays are already entering into the heart. Documentation, we will become the vote bank of 700 MPs and 750 MPs from Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, and 4500 MLAs from Vidhan Sabha. Documented path is already there in the democratic life, which has been done before 31st August 1946. We have been moving on that. Only thing is that angle we have to make understand by the document system. The 12 Banarsi Sari and 12 Dhoti from the Kailas Dham rays, 12 Banarsi Sari and 12 Dhoti from the Vaikunth Dham and Kshir Sagar rays, 12 Banarsi Sari and 12 Dhoti from the Brahmlok and ISBN Dham, which writers and authors have written. 12 Banarsi Sari and 12 Dhoti from the Adi Shakti Jagadamba Dham, and 12 Banarsi Sari and 12 Dhoti from the each united Varshkrit Hindu God and Goddess Dham, and 12 Banarsi Sari and 12 Dhoti from the government Dham. We are already married, we are already having our children, we all are moving in the right path. Only thing is that documented. We are taking license driving for our car. We are doing different types of work. We are purchasing land, we are making papers. Only things we are making paper by the organized self-employment ministry, by seeing from the Rashtrapati Bhavan eyes and from the governor house eyes, because the democratic setup is giving us a chance to understand self-employment government job. And automatically, if we are understanding self-employment government job, all the MPs and MLAs will understand that we are the sons and daughters of them. All political parties are working devotedly. All industries are working devotedly. All educationists, all press person and all legal lawyers are working devotedly. All family women are working devotedly. All truth and non-violence are working devotedly, and all government employees are working devotedly. We have to understand our work. And 16.66, for the control I have tried to put court martial range, so that no jumping here and there. Automatically, by truthful ways, we can immediately understand and we can live in a happy life. Between 0 to 18, if required, and 18 to 58 years, and we will get pension at 18, 30 to 46 year. It is possible. We have to generate TRUPs. We have to purchase truth only terms by calling 63973 truth only terms. Automatically we will start understanding, and we will move to the world of organized self-employment ministry, where we will have 3 budget: annual budget 108 ministry, railway budget 1 ministry, and organized self-employment ministry budget. And all over India 120 crore population, divided into 6 houses from the Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti Jagadamba Dham house, and government house dham. Chief Minister and Prime Minister will transfer us in houses. We can also self-transfer, and we can work in organized self-employment ministry by self-funding, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing. We can easily make it from the Shardapur Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 63973600717. Understand organized self-employment ministry and budget. Thank you. Thank you.